Uh, what I can do is I can create a copy. So how we can create a copy of any object? So we can just press Shift on the keyboard and click on the axis on which we want to it to be copied. Like for we want it on the y-axis. So let's just grab the y-axis and drag my wall. So if I just release all the buttons and all the mouse button and keyboard shift, so I can get this clone option. So I can get this clone option. So in the clone options, we have a copy, we have an instance, and we have the reference. So let's for the starter, let's switch from copy to instance and click on OK. And let's just snap this wall to the side as well. So why I selected the instance is because if I want to, at any times, if I want to, change the parameters for a single wall, so I don't want to do it for all the walls inside my scene. So what I can do is if I just, in the instance mode, if I just change the value for one wall, all the walls are going to change. So that is why instance is very helpful in the modeling side. So now if I just click or select our walls, so how we can just add objects to our selection. So by clicking uh, the objects, we can select the object, and if we want to add another object to our selection, so what I can do is I can just click or hold down my control key and click on the object, other object. This will going to add that object in our selection. So now what I can do is I can just switch from move to rotate. So by pressing uh, E on the keyboard. So the move, rotate, and scale commands are by pressing W, E, and R. So if I press W, you can see we are in move mode, and if I press E, we are in rotate mode, and if I press R, we are in scale mode. So by rotating, by switching from move to in the rotate tool, uh, I can rotate these walls to somehow 90 degree, and they will have all the four walls. But currently what you have noticed is I just rotated my actual objects, so I haven't copied that. So I have just uh, told the procedure how to copy by pressing the shift key. So just press the shift key and rotate on the particular axis. This will allow you to create a copy for your uh, specific selected object. So right now what's happening is I'm very uh, I have to precisely you know drag my mouse and get this 90.00 on the angle. So how can I do it without getting so precise movements, and somehow maybe I'm not getting exactly the 90 degrees. So like the snaps mode, we have the angle snap mode, and if I just press A on the keyboard, we have this angle snap mode turn on. And if I just now press shift and the rotate uh, axis, so now you can see I don't have to drag my mouse precisely. I can get 90 uh, angle at very easy little movement of my mouse. So let's instance this, and we get all the walls of that particular room inside our